Elastic power chain is very commonly used to consolidate spaces. Keep in mind that lingual tipping of incisors takes place when power chain is used on round wire. To place chain, first start with the bracket or hook with a hemostat. Then use a curette to weave the chain around the arch. Then cut the end of the chain with a pin and ligature cutter. Another power chain product is called close chain. There are no spaces between the loops, and as well, the chain is made of a more elastic material. There is no need to place one loop per bracket. Doing this may cause rotations, even on stainless steel wire. On teeth without space, you may put one loop per tie wing on the mesial or the distal. This will avoid the rotation of those teeth. Those teeth with spaces, you may want to stretch the chain so that each loop is placed on a bracket. Our power chain may also be used to retract cuspids. When using on 020 stainless steel wire or greater, a fairly tight chain can be used if the cuspid is first tied in with a ligature tie. In the level alignment stage, where nye tie is being used, our power chain may be used in obtaining space for incisor alignment. Be careful not to put excessive force over this long flexible span of wire. Excessive tipping would be the result. One or two loops from the passive state is enough force on 016 nye tie wire. In this case, a tighter chain may be used because of the heavier wire. In the event that a lingual sheath is being used for a transpalatal arch that has been removed or is yet to be placed, chain may be used to retract teeth or correct rotations by merely using a steel ligature tie through the end of the chain. The steel tie is then fed through the sheath of the transpalatal arch. And then back through one of the loops of the chain. The free end of the chain is then placed on the button, in this case, of the cuspid. And the excess ends are then cut. This is a mirror view of a chain just placed in the lingual sheath used for a transpalatal arch.